From the weather team you can trust, here's Chief Meteorologist Eric Sneidel.
And now here's the crazy part with that. This chunk of space debris that entered the atmosphere over Lake Erie was estimated to be several tons in weight. So yes, while most of these do tend to just burn up in the atmosphere, it's surmised that there could be some chunks of meteorite material that have found their way into the ground in parts of northeast Ohio. So pretty wild stuff. Now, we didn't see much in the way of reports here locally. It was a little too far removed, and plus we've had a fair amount of cloud cover too, which is what has done this. Our latest snowfall tally, 113.6 inches now on the season. That's the most snowfall we've had since the winter of 2017-18. And also, if you take what we had in the winter of 22-23 and 23 and 24, combined those 2 years, this is still more than those 2 years combined. Syracuse leads the pack with 140 inches. And I must remind you that the second half of March, even into early April, still climatologically can feature a little bit more snowfall. Tonight, it's plenty cold enough for snow. 20 degrees in Rochester. Breeze is out of the west-northwest, so it feels more like single digits. And yes, this is about what you should expect as you dress for work and school in the morning. Are you going to be shoveling anything additionally in the morning? For 99.9% of you watching me right now, the answer is no. Where's the little teeny tiny fraction of a percent that maybe that changes? Out in northeast Wayne County. And we are getting some decent snowfall here north of the 104 corridor. We've got our camera from the Sodas Point Lighthouse. It is picking up on some snowfall, but with the lighting that we've got, it often makes this look a lot more ominous than it is. The fact that I could still see some texture in the distance tells me it's not snowing that hard, but in Wolcott especially, we'll be watching you. Other Great Lakes, Lake Superior's not doing anything. Huron's barely doing much of anything, so we know we're in the wind down portion of this. And overall additional accumulation, you see what I mean here? It's just that tiny sliver of northeast Wayne County. I always wish with these advisories for the winter weather advisory for Wayne, we didn't include the whole county with this. Could we just, draw a polygon for the piece parts? But most of you are not going to end up with any issues out of that. After the frigid start to the morning, we'll do our best to climb above freezing into the afternoon. Should we get there, it's not going to be by much. Think low to mid 30s with overcast skies coming back. It's dry though. As we head into Thursday, it's not dry, but it's not like there's that much going on. We'll get close to 40. There could be a light and random rain or snow shower for the afternoon commute home. That gets in and out. If we do it again into Friday, maybe a light rain or snow shower again with temperatures climbing into the 40s. Now, we've had our fair share of wind, and this is what a lot of you want to know. Is any of this coming back, especially with these clipper systems on the way? I think tomorrow is fine. Gusts less than 20 miles per hour. I think Thursday looks pretty good, too. I even think Friday, wind gusts are not going to be much of a conversation here at all. What will be a conversation is, even though the weather is not going to feature any big storms, no high impact anything over the next 8 days, it's a lot of nickel and dime little stuff. You see these low end rain chances, a few snow showers mixing in, but at least we've got highs in the 40s through the weekend.